So let me know what you guys think of the wheels now on the CLA. It looks amazing, honestly. It looks so good now. It's so thick on the back, it's literally crazy. So you guys got to see it in person too. Come out to some meets and follow me on Instagram, and I'll post the meets that I'll be going to with Cray CLA. And these are heritage 3-piece wheels on the car. The lips are 5 inches in the back and 3.5 in the front, which is just, it's absurd. So it's running a stretch tire, and it honestly, it looks really, really good. So this is aired out right here. Still a few things to dial in with fitment, just little things to dial in. But aside from that, it looks like it's all complete with the wheels, and it looks really good. So let me know what you guys thought of it down below in the comment section. Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? I think the silver wheels were just perfect for the car, and it looks really good. And it kind of makes me want to get silver wheels on the GT350. So let me know what you guys would think of that too. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content on this car. Let me know what videos you want to see down below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.